Guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing 3 simple zero-waste DIY Christmas decorations that you can make at home with stuff you most probably have lying around the house. Now, the festive season, as much as it's about spending time with your family and having some holiday time off, it can also be an incredibly stressful time of the year. And not just for us, but for the planet as well, with tons and tons of food waste and plastic waste being generated. It's time that we start changing the ways we do things. And that's why I wanted to give you these simple DIYs that you can do at home that will help you reduce your waste and reduce your impact on the planet so that you can have a more conscious and more mindful Christmas. enjoyed this video and that you make these DIY Christmas decorations yourself. If you do, make sure to tag me on social media so that I can see your beautiful creations. Wishing you all a beautiful, mindful Christmas.